Today's topic is about the ill effects of what happens to our body when we sit for a long time. Now, this is divided into two topics. One is what happens to our lower body, and second is what happens to our upper body. Now, starting with the lower body. When we sit for a long time, especially in a slumped position, there will be tightness of the ankle joint, of the hip joint, and of the muscles around the thighs. Why is this so? This is because when we sit, our knee joint as well as hip joint is flexed, is in a folded position, which causes the muscles to remain tight. These muscles are not meant to remain tight, or rather they are not meant to be shortened. Their natural position is one of length, because that's how we are able to stand and able to walk. So prolonged sitting will cause contracture or muscle imbalance of these muscles. Now what happens when there is tightness of the joint? The muscle that is behind the joint will become loose, which will cause a loss of alignment between the bones. This loss of alignment may cause disc issues. As we know, the spine has a normal neutral rotation, but prolonged sitting will cause a loss of that neutral alignment, which will cause disc prolapse along with chronic low backache. Once the disc has been involved, it can cause neurologic symptoms. Now, not only the disc, but also the surrounding soft tissues can also get stretched due to prolonged sitting. Now, let us talk about what happens in the upper body. As we know, when we sit slumped for a long time, our shoulders will droop forward. That's like this, in a position like this, and our head will move forward. That's because there is muscle imbalance between the muscles that are in front of our chest and the muscles that are behind our chest. This will also result in loss of alignment, the same way that our back, the bones of our back lose their alignment. The bones of our neck will also be malaligned. That will result in a drooping forward posture. The neck will move forward. This can also result in weakness of the abdominal muscles. The neck gets involved. As we can clearly see, tightness of the muscles of the back will cause the neck to move forward. So in short, prolonged sitting is to be avoided because our bodies are not meant for sitting. They are meant to stand and walk. In the next video, I'll show you the correct way along with some certain tips and pointers on how to sit properly. Thank you.